Hei hi Agashvani Aizawl ani Chanchinthar achiar tu John Vanal chuanga. Mizoram State Election Commission chuan Chakma Autonomous District Council huam chunga Village Council in Thlanchu Thale March ni som pahnia nei ani tur thuan soi. Mizoram State Election Commissioner Dr. Aizawl thangliana chuan voin khana pisa thuthar thedar tu tenena inkomna annea he thui soin voin in thlanpuan ani atang hian CADC huam chunga Election Model Code of Conduct ken ko ngal ani thua soya State Election Commissioner chuan CADC Nuaya Village Council chunga in somnga omchinin VCC thum an nei thule in somnga atanga inza inkarin seat nga an nei thu te baka inza le pakhat atanga inza somnga in seat rukle inza somnga pakhat atanga achunglam in seat sarizel an nei thei thu te asoibok.
I do hereby announce that the process of general election to Village Council under Chakma Autonomous District Council 2025 has started, and the Model Code of Conduct has come to enforce within Chakma Autonomous District Council's area from now till completion of the election process, that is 18 March 2025.
Mizoram State Election Commission tarlan danin CADC huam chunga Village Council ading turte mingpek lu hun nung beratan tun thla February ni som pakwa ruat ania mingpek lu te endik na hunatan February ni som ni pakhat ruat ani baka mingpelut in nukir du te tan February ni som ni pali thleng hun pek ania CADC Nuaya Village Council a vote tla te hi vote thak ni veka chirfel ani dona vote thak that ngai a omani chuan vote thak tuk March ni som pathuma nei thatle tura ruaman ania March ni som pasaria VC tinte in pe felvek turati anni baka atuk March ni som parieta VC thanle akai noipo zo felvek tura ruaman ani bok Chakma Autonomous District Council Nuaya Village Council in Thlan nei tura vote nei theimi singthum sang sari zaria somriat pathum an om Mizoram State Election Commission tarlan danin CADC Nuaya VC in Thlanlo thleng tura vote nei thei te hi mipa singkhat sangkwa za somruk panhi le mechia singkhat sangriat za sari somni pakhat anwain mi singthum sang sari zaria somriat pathum an oma chungko singkhat sangruk zakwa somko pakhat an om anga chut ani bok CADC huam chunga in Village Council seat somriat pariat a omti State Election Commission chuan an thu chua siama hian tar langin henga hian general seat zali somni pariat le reserve seat somriat pariat a oma CADC Nuaya VC seat omzat chu a viable common seat zanga som paruk aniti SEC hotu ten an soibok CADC huam chunga Village Council lian ber chu Kamala Nagar wan ni in heta hian voter mi pa zariat somli meichia zariat somthum pariat unviable common mi sangkhat zaruk somsari pariat an oma chungko zasari somni panga omanga chut anibok Chakma Village Council te berchu gobasuri ni in heta hian chungko somruk an oma voter mi pa somnga pariat le meichia somnga paruk unvain mi za som pali an om ani Information and Public Relations Minister Dr. Vanal Thanan tunlai khovela olsam taka thu thar hriat tur omma se thu declarein tlak thliar thiam apoimo thu asoi he thu hi voina Indian Institute of Mass Communication MZU atlona soin minister chuan tunlaya thu thar olsam taka hriat tur omma se thu dik ngai chan masak apoimo fo atia thu thar te thedar konga po journalist chu midang te hriat tur chhop chhuwa konga on lam nei lo puan chhuwa apoimo ti asoi minister chuan IIMC azirlai te chu Mizoram anom chungin atam theyang ber Mizo nun phung a thalai zir tama anzir chu huna an chhort rangkai thei tur thlang thiam turina cha Mizoram thu thar the dar dangkal mangshia chian tuma bidang te kom tam turina cha MZU campus IIMC omna chu mun thatak ani thu soin zirlai te tan boruak thale thombeng cheng lawani baka azirna atana an momo engkim omna mun thatak ani ti soin IIMC mundang nena tekhin poina chuan om thu asoibok
We have to remember that journalism we have to aim for the truth and fairness in everything we do. Now we know that many of the media persons they have shown the truth in many countries in which the media is taken away from the people. Minor reports with the advent of democracy in those countries, we happen to know that those journalists were very brave and they have shown the true face of what the government has done.
Voina hun mana hian MZU mi poimo sang le durdashan le AIR ho to sang antela heng baka hian IIMC zirlai te antel bok ani Chanchinthar hi Akashvani Aizawl atanga puan ania AIR News Aizawl YouTube channel All India Radio News Aizawl Facebook page le newsonair.gov.in ate Chanchinthar hi ngai thak le chiar theyada ani zanin daruk le achanvea Chanchinthar hi puan le aniang Mizoram State Election Commission tarlan danin local council le village council in thanne zo taka party malin sarkar na ansiam thailo na hun za som pasari a State Election Commission Secretary Pukelal ding liana soidanin village council zanga somnga palile local council za soma in thanna hi kalpuyania heta hian ZPM chon local council le village council zathum somni pakhata sarkar na ansiama MNF ni za somli pakwa sarkar na siamin Indian National Congress chuan somnga pasari an siam bok ani hengba ka hian independent sarkar siamna mun kwa a omba ka BJP sarkar siamna mun khat a ombok chuti zong chu Chanchinthar kan puan thei chu ani